All right, so time for part two, so everybody can get caught up here. So here is our existing game. It's up, down, doesn't pass through the walls. Punches when you press A, kicks when you press S, and the duck chases you. He kind of freaks out a little bit, but it's all right. So we'll deal with that later. So today, what we need to do is add in another level. So this is going to be let's call it room 1. Duplicate here. That'll be room 2. This will be a little different. Put this thing in the middle. Man, that looks great. So we need, let's flip this the other direction. Perfect. So we need a door to go from room 1 to room 2. So I'm going to cut a little gap here so that we can put in a door. So yeah, this will work. Why not? Just do it just like that, and that is where my door will be. And I'm going to come in a door and make this the in door. On the side 2, and let's put it in this corner. So I'm going to need a door right there. So I'm going to paint a new sprite. Call this door 1 to room 2. So 1 to 2 is what we'll call it. Just need to make a door here. So just be a door. I guess I don't know how to change that. That color. Why would that change? I don't like that. Let's do this. Outline is green. Oh, yeah, look at that door. Very obnoxious door. Let's put it right here in the middle of the spot where I'm drawing it. That looks lovely. It needs a doorknob, of course. Let's make it a black doorknob. It's bigger. Click is annoying on here now. So there we go. That's not quite through its spot. It's too big. It's red again. So, ooh, what are we doing here? What's happening? Paintbrush. What's it doing that? Weird. This is the closed door. Why will it not let me put circle for the door? Like there. So circle doorknob on it. It's so big. That was weird, but okay. So we can close door, and we're just going to duplicate this. This will be our open door. So I'm just going to take this, copy it, paste it, right beside it. I just copied and pasted it. That's all I did. And I'm going to flip it. So it's flipped horizontal. And I'm just going to paint this one black. So it looks like it's an open hole. And there you go. All right, so closed door, open door. of them. It did. Put it right there. So now I have the closed door. You can see it goes on the screen. Closed door and the open door. Closed door. So I'm going to code these doors. So code when clicked, if else. So I'm going to say if the cat is touching it. No, I'm going to say if it is room 1, then show the door. And then if it's not, hide the door. That's what we're going to say. So we're going to say if equal sign, there we go. Sensing if walls, costume number of walls equals 1, if costume of walls equals 1, looks, show, oops, show, if not, hide. That's essentially what that says, else hide. Okay, so that's going to work. If we are costume number 2, walls number 2, then it should not work. So we can test this real quick. We can say events, when spacebar pressed, looks, next costume. So here we go. Stop, go. Ooh, it did not hide it. What's going on here? If costume number of walls equals 1, then show. Let's hide. You should be showing, right? Oh, this is forever. Forever. There we go. Didn't put it in a forever loop. Okay. So now that's room 2. Door's not there. Here's room 1. Door's there. Get rid of this tester code. We don't need that anymore. So get rid of that. So now I need to say that if any point the cat touches the door, my main character touches the door, I want it to open and then broadcast the next level. So that way it switches. We can say switch screen whenever you broadcast that. So I'm going to say, should just be able to stick it in here and say if sensing is going to be touching cat, then looks, switch to costume open. We want to have a brief wait. Pause this for a second. And broadcast controls to broadcast. Where are you at? There's broadcast under events. Broadcast new message. Go to room 2 from room 1. All right, so if the costume is number 1, it's going to show. If it's not, it'll be hidden. If touching the cat, then switch costume to open. Wait half a second. Broadcast room 2 from 1. Got it. All right, so from my walls, I'm going to say when I receive 2 from 1, we are going to switch costume to room 2. So that should work. Let's try this out here. So there's my cat. Let's just run away from the duck. What's this thing to do at this point? Got it. All right, so we did switch to the second room, but my cat is on the wrong side of the screen. So I need to say on my cat code, this is all from the last video, if you don't know where that's from. So from video 1. So say when I receive, that'll work. When I receive 2 from 1, when I receive 2 from 1, we're going to motion go to this spot, because he's going through the door right here, which will be there on the screen after he goes through the door. So this spot, which is negative 211 right there. And 89y. And we want him to face that direction because he just went through the door. It's going to look this direction because he just went through that door. So let's try this again. I do not have a starter code on here. Yeah, I do. My cat starts in the same spot every time. I'm gonna beat this duck up this time. Good. Okay. Hey, where's my door? Where's my door not showing? That's not level 1 either. This did not switch to room 1 when I clicked the flag. So I need when flag clicked, looks switch to room 1. Ah, there we go. Oh, my door's open. So when clicked, switch to when clicked, switch to costume closed. Or stick that in there. So when we click the flag, we need the costume to close. So, there it is. All right. So we can kill the duck real quick. So here we are in room 2, and we have a couple things going on. We have a dead duck in room 2. We do not want a dead duck in room 2. So this is all the code from last time. So I'm going to say events when I receive room 2 from 1. I'm going to hide. Just hide the duck. Should work. We'll just hide the duck. So now the duck should be gone. Right. Duck. Duck's punch is devastating. All right, room 2, got nothing going on, so we're good there. So we need a door to go back through, original door to go back through. So I'm just going to duplicate this door, and this door should be named door 1 to 2. And this door is door 2 to 1. Door 2 to 1. And we want it to say, same code, if costume number of walls equals 2, then show if touching cat broadcast new message from 2 to 1. Back the other way. And we need there's the door. Needs to be right there-ish. So this is what we needed to say, and it's broadcast from 2 to 1. We need the walls to say events when I receive from 2 to 1. We need to switch costumes. Let's looks. Switch costumes to room 1. Because we're going to go back into room 1. So let's see if that works here. Oh man, where's my duck? He's dead. In room 1. Now I can't see him. So So I need a when clicked show. Where would be the best place to put that? Let's just go with, it doesn't really matter. Just go with when clicked show. There, now he's back. All right. Mr. Doug's back. Oh gosh. Did you see what happened? We like instantly teleported through the door because when we went through the door, we were automatically touching the door. So it told it to open again. So we need a like a weight or something like that. Put like a weight inside. So let's go with Can we do this? Need something in here. Should work. What if we said instead of when clicked, what if we said when I receive from shouldn't one of those say from room? Oh, that says room 2 from 1. Okay, that's weird word. So let's give it like a 2-second wait before the code starts working. Now this should work. Oh man, outrun the duck. Go. 2 seconds is too long, so 1.5 seconds. So that might work. It's weird, but it works. What if we stick it right there? What if we do that? Does that work? Uh-oh. That's not going to work because it's not hiding the door. We could just do this. We say when the flag is clicked, looks behind the door. No, it works. Come on, duck. Let's go for a walk. That's all right. It works. It's functionable. So we're just gonna let's put it up 1 second, but that works. It'll work. So we need a second door down here. We need another door down here. So I'm just gonna duplicate this door. So now I have door 2 to 3. This door goes from room 2 to 3. And we're going to say if cost of walls equals 2, yes, this is all correct. If touching the cat, broadcast new message from 2 to 3. That's what we need to say. And we have walls. We do not have a third room yet. So let's go ahead and duplicate this. We need to make a third room. This time, get off what just happened there. This time, we're gonna get rid of this. And stretch this. Whoa, that's not what I want. This. Go ahead and close this wall off here. That. And zoom out here just a little bit. I think what we want is let's make this a little follow. So we'll do it like that. Yeah, sure, something like that. So that'll work. Oh, I forgot to name this. This is room 3. It names it appropriately, so I don't have to worry about that. So when I receive from 2 to 3, we are going to switch costume to room 3. And that should work. Oh, we forgot to tell our cat that when we receive room 3, start right there. So let's say duplicate when I receive 2 to 3, start right there, which is negative 204. It's right here. So that's point in that direction. When I receive 2 to 1, we need to be 2 to room 1. We need to be up here in the top right corner. This one. Whoa, stop. Back to room 1. Back over here. There we go. Stopped. His location is, when I receive from 2 to 1, this location is 204. His Y location is 102. That direction. Okay, so what else do we need here? Listen. We got everything? When I receive 2 to 3, when I receive room 3 to 2, that code in here yet, but at some point, we go from room 3 to room 2. It needs to be down here. That location is. Location is 162 over negative 80. And it needs to point that direction, so that's correct. Okay, so 3, and we need a door right here is what we need. We need the door, the room 3 door. So go ahead and duplicate this, duplicate that door, and say when I receive. Oh man, is that room 3 to 2? Do I even have that code in here yet? Oh, we don't. This room is going to broadcast room 2 to 3. Broadcast from room 2 to 3. When I receive 2 to 3, switch costume close. If the costume of the walls equals 3, show, hide, wait, blah, 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 blah. Broadcast. Room 3 to room 2. So we can go back through the door. Right? That seems right. Yep. I'm going to change the name of the door here. Then we need the walls to say when I receive 2 to 3. There we go. Oh, I got a 2 to 3 right there too. Oh, when I receive room 3 to 2, go to room 2. 2 to 1 goes to 1. Room 2 from 1 goes to room 2. Let's go to room 3. We should be good to go. Let's see. Let's see what's shaking here. Door. broadcasting. All right, no, it's not broadcasting the same right thing. This is door 2 to 3. And it needs to broadcast room 2 to 3. When I receive 2 from 2 to 3, broadcast from 2 to 3. Aha, there we go. This door is in the wrong spot. Let's to go back over here. When there duck is he gonna die? Well, the corpse is just laying there still. Gotta figure that out. Just check the doors out though. Door. Door come back. Door. 3 to 2 did not come back. Costume number of walls equals 3 and show hide. 1 second. When the door pop up. Let's get rid of the duck first. We wanted to say we only want the duck to show. Let's get rid of this. We only want the duck to show if it's room number 1. So maybe we just put in a sensing block here. Say like, oops, forever if looks I'm looking for. No, it's sensing. Ever if walls constant number of walls equals 1, then show. Oh, we need an else. Else on here. This. Because if it's not showing, it's not showing. Got it. This can just be what if I clicked. Okay, so now at any point, it's not number 1. I think it's because we have to stop all on here. Stop other scripts and sprite. Interesting. We could say, let's put this. What if think for a second here. Do we have to stop the script? Because if we don't stop the script, Duck's just gonna keep chasing this one. Yeah, it keeps Jason, so he's dead. That's no good. Don't want that. How about if we said, here's what we'll do. If costume of duck, what if we say events when, wrong button there. So if costume number, if costume number equals 3, right? If costume number equals 3, then hide. Oh, I guess we don't need all this else on here. Just say control forever. If costume number 3 equals 3, hide and stop other scripts. That's right. Just do one click. Oh, that should work. Best way to do it, but ooh, he disappeared really fast. Let's go with 2 seconds. So that might be too long. Kicking walls. That worked. Happy with that. Okay, so this door works. That door works. 2 to 3 works. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Where are we? So door 3. This door. Not. Okay, it's just teleported through doors. This door needs a wait. 3 seconds or something. Door 3 along her way. That's all I did. No, that didn't work. Up here. She's gonna wait before it even senses any of that stuff. That can get it pop up as fast. Stack up. Three seconds. Not where'd my door go? To not pop up. So maybe we say wait 3 seconds there. Just kick the door open. Oh, duck. 1, 2, 3. Where you at, door? Why are you not coming up? And I receive 2 to 3. Switch costume to clothes. Wait 3 seconds. If costume number of walls equals 3, then shows. Costume number is 3. Is right. What's wrong here? If costume number of walls equals forever if switch costume clothes, wait 3 seconds forever. If costume number of walls equals 3, then show is right. Why is this not working? Something weird going on here, so I'm gonna pause the video and figure. That's probably a weird pause for you, but I wasn't going to pause. But so I just duplicated this door again, deleted that door, and duplicated this door 2 to 3 again because it was working. Door 3 to 2, renamed it from 3 to 2. I said when I receive from 2 to 3, switch it, got it, change this to costume number of walls equals 3, then show, wait 1 second, and I said broadcast room 2 to 3. It's working now. So duck. So these doors don't disappear, they're working. It's broadcasting the wrong thing. There. Go back through it. So take you to the right room. Broadcast 3 to 2. Got it. Door didn't close. This door did not close. So we needed to say just do it this way. Events I receive from 3 to 2 looks. Let's shut the door. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Oh gosh, something's weird was happening. When I'm going back through the door, I go back to room 1. I needed to be my cat to start further over. So I'm going to say when I receive from 2 to 1, let's bump it over a little bit. So let's go like -2. Let's go like 50. I think that's going to work. Back through the door. No, that did not work. There's not a wait on that door. Was that door number 1? Need a wait. There, isn't it? Oop. I need my cat to be a little bit. So if I put him like right there, then he won't be touching. When I receive from, well, I don't want that. When I receive from 2 to 1, 359. I got 4. Let's see if this check each door this way. Worked. 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 Everything is working. So we are good. This is room number 2. To be about right there, which is negative 162. That's fine. All right, so there we go. We have working cat. That's actions. Character that chases. Attacks. We have doors that are coded and work. We have 3 rooms. So the next step will be putting in bad guys in the rest of those rooms. So this is what we need. So maybe coding and a key. So we're looking at.